on the 266. It's a pretty good saw. You know, it is 66.7 cc's, and with a little work in the shop, you know, you can make these things run pretty good and have yourself a good, reliable saw with good power. Might not be as quick as a brand new saw from Jump Street, but with little mods, you can get them right there. Of course, if you do the newer saw, it's gonna pick up. But I mean, to me, you know, as long as it's within 10%, I'm happy. I don't want something, you know, a Craftsman or something where I'm watching the paint dry here while it's trying to cut. All right.